All right, thank you very much, Luis. Welcome everyone to this week's Reps call. Today we have Fernando, Luis, Kiki, and I am from London today. And hello from gloomy but sunny London. Today we don't have any more participants on the wiki, so please add your names if you're participating in this call or if you're watching us live from Ermo. As usual, the wiki is on the discourse announcement sent by Kiki every 5 minutes to remind you that there is a call today. I am gonna see what we have for today, and we have contributors for the week and we have Gabriela, Christoph, Jonathan, Bitin, and Alex for their active contribution for Firefox 60 support, SUMO support. Thank you very much for participating. For those of you who don't know what Firefox 66 SUMO support is, well, it's not late. It's 3 weeks of awesomeness where people are helping on users that they have just updated their Firefox, and we are doing it around Firefox release, and Roland always tells us when this happens. Give us all those gloomy details about when we have releases, and of course it's a trend, so it always happen in the same time. So we are helping on those specific dates because we need to keep our users informed if they see anything. Also, it's a very good opportunity for Roland to receive feedback about the product. So if you see anything, and if you see users asking same questions again and again about something or complaining about something, this is a good opportunity for Roland to know and to report the product. With that, I am gonna let you know that we have the release notes for Firefox for Android that Kiki has put there for you. So if you want to check them out, go and check them out with the release notes. They are on the wiki. And then I am going to pass the microphone to Kiki, who is talking about looking for Firefox 66 support document. Check out this discourse page.
Constantine, I think you're looking into a wrong wiki page. Well, anyway, I'm going to talk about the results from the SUMO sprint. Well, no worries, I have the link.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I clicked. This is.
Oh yeah, we've got too many community meetings, and I just realized you mentioned about RefCall earlier. Sorry about that. Please understand us. We're juggling between so many communities, so excuse us.
Oops.
Did you figure it out?
Yeah, that's the mistakes of live television, so I'm so sorry. Kiki is going to talk about the Firefox 16 sprint results that they are running as we already spoke. So Kiki, the floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, I'm going to talk about the results from the first SUMO sprint that we've done this week. Overall, we've done pretty smoothly and nothing really major from the Firefox side. And we have done a pretty good job on the local coverage in this release, except for Netherlands and maybe on Turkish. But yeah, so far the other locales like Spanish, Portuguese, and others like Germany as well covered. So yeah, it's pretty good. In terms of the yeah, thank you. So in terms of the bug that we've seen from the observation that was done in the first week, so far the most issue that we have seen was about the extension storage, and I pasted the blog post that we've got from the add-on team. So in case you've seen something like that, you can attach this blog post as a reference. And also, I think Johnny is working on a canned response, so I hope to add it also in the in our document, in the SUMO article, and also in the reply tool. But yeah, that will come soon. Also, the blog media autoplay rollout. I have posted the bug link there in the wiki page. You can check it out. Well, basically, the right now it's only 25% of the users that already got the block autoplay by default, but it will be soon become 50 by 28 and will be rolled out 100% by the third week, which is 4th April. So although we've got a quiet week this week, we might expect some other spike like after the rollout, maybe on after 28. So maybe expect some increase on the volume of the feedback that we've got. About the autoplay, also, I think Noah mentioned about it. There is a confusion between in the users that some people are confused that they, like for example, when they open YouTube, they cannot hear the audio because they've got, like the the block autoplay. So there is some confusion about that. But in case you've seen something like that, you can just mention that it was a new feature, and maybe you can point them out to the article for the block autoplay and how to unblock it, so they can unblock, like for example, YouTube from the autoplay. So yeah, other than that, there's nothing specific about the other bugs that we've got. Do I miss something, Constantina?
No, I don't think so. That we don't have anything big except the autoplay and some web extension storage that some people reported. Thanks you all that have reported this. I don't know, Roland, would you like to add anything from the product side?
Well, we're going to have a dot release today, 6602, because there's some enterprise applications, Office 365, IBM Webmail that are using the old Firefox keyboard handling. So we have coded a fix to give them the old keyboard handling. But we haven't had many complaints on SUMO about that. That mostly affects corporate people. And once we do that, we release 6602, then I think we will unthrottle. We're currently at 25%. And then we will unthrottle, I guess, early next week or late this week to get to 100%. And then we'll get some we'll get more feedback because we'll get more people using. Mm-hmm. That's it.
All right, thank you very much. So we are now 25%, which means that we expect more users. So probably we'll get more stuff happening starting next week. Keep an eye, let us know. We'll also keep an eye on forums and Twitter. And if you see something, say something, as the very beautiful Mozilla app says. So do let us know. And yeah, I don't think we have anything else. I think Fernando cannot speak because he's working. Fernando, if you want to add anything or...
Oh, yeah. Well, okay. This is to the sprint to SUMO. I worked and the translate to the document for support, the group support to SUMO. And when we Gabriela I participate because to the answer to support and the region to Latin and Spain.
Cool. Thank you, Fernando. All right. I don't see anything else. I will check IRC and channel. Yes, Kiki, sorry.
Yeah, I was actually, there's also a link to the SUMO blog about the A/B experiment that we have been doing. You can check out the link in the wiki page. And also the Firefox lockbox has just been released yesterday, I guess. So if there's something like feedback around that, and if there is a trend on like yeah, maybe a trend on feedback, just let us know.
All right, go again ahead and check the blog post and let us know if you have any feedback or add and reply on the blog post. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here, and see you all next week.
See you. Goodbye.
Ciao,
Yeah.
tschüss.
Ciao.